Hello everyone, I am Shylaja.N, currently pursuing second year MSc at Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. In this video, I am going to talk about components of computer network. Basically, what is a network? A network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframes, network devices, peripherals, or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. A simple example of a network is Internet, which connects millions of people all over the world. What is a computer network? A computer network consists of two or more computing devices that are connected in order to share the resources of your network and the information you store there. The most basic computer network, which consists of just two connected computers, can expand and become more usable when additional computers join and their resources to those being shared. What is network components? Network components is also called the network device or computer networking devices, which are used to make communication and interaction between multiple computers over network. Types of network components. Components of computer network are categorized into four different types of segments, such as network hardware components, network software components, network protocol components, network connection medium components. Computer network components comprises both physical parts as well as the software required for installing computer network. The hardware components are the server, client, transmission medium, and connecting devices. The software components are operating systems and protocols. Network hardware components. Hardware components are known as network hardware devices that are linked to each other through wire or wireless connection medium. Major type of network devices are NIC, stands for Network Interface Card, and this hardware component is used to link multiple computers with each other over the network. NIC performs some activities such as sending and receiving data as well as controlling data flow between linked all terminals over the network. NIC is capable to send and receive data on 10,000 100 to 1000 Mbps transfer rate. All NIC contain unique ID MAC address that is programmed on chip and it is embedded on the network interface card. NIC has two variants such as wired NIC. Cables and connectors are connected to wired NIC which is embedded inside the motherboard. Wireless NIC. Wireless NIC has small type antenna. It helps to make connections on the wireless network. Hub. Hub is a hardware component of computer network that helps to split large network connections into small multiple network terminals. Hub works as distribution point. When computers try to request for some piece of data from network, then it has first priority to send requests to hub via cable. Hub will transmit those requests over the network and all linked terminal will determine that those requests are related to them or not. If not related, then all requests will be trashed. Modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. Main objective of using modem in computer network is to move data from one computer terminal to another computer terminal via telephone line system. Types of modem are Ethernet modem. It is connected into NIC in the computer system. Wireless modem. Wireless modem contains small antenna and it is connected with computer terminal through wireless network. Switches. Switches are used in wired network such as Ethernet network. Switch is a small type of hardware component that helps to receive data from other different input ports and send this got data to appropriate output port. And finally, destination terminal obtains data over the network. Types of switches. Unmanaged switches. These switches are used in the small area such as home network. Managed switches. These switches are used in medium size of area such as small and large organizations. These there are two types. They are smart switches and enterprise managed switches. Ethernet switches. These type of switches are mostly used to decrease network congestion and it helps to make connection with LAN points. PoE switches. PoE switches stands for power over Ethernet and they deliver to great flexibility by cabling process. Router. Router performs all functions on the third layer of OSI model. Router helps to transfer data packets in between multiple points over the network. Router checks the destination IP address of received data packet and it transfer those data packets on best path according to the headers and forwarding tables. Types of routers are wireless router, wired router, core router, virtual router, edge router, and broadband routers. Bridges. Bridges is very important hardware device in computer network because it helps to make interconnection along with multiple bridge network on the similar protocol. Bridges are also called as layer 2 switches. Bridges perform all functions on the data link layer of the OSI model and it helps to keep the MAC address stable. There are three types of bridge such as transparent bridge, translation bridge, source route bridge. Repeater. Repeater performs all activities on the physical layer of the OSI model. It is very helpful to regain or replicate analog or digital signals which are distorted by transmission loss. So it is known as signal booster. Repeater is capable to relay messages between multiple subnetworks in the data network. Repeater has some variants such as analog or digital repeaters, wired or wireless repeaters, local or remote repeaters. Gateways. Gateway is a special type of hardware component of the network and it performs activities like gate between two networks. Gateways provide protections like firewalls from unwanted traffic because it is placed at the edge of the network system. So all data get in and out in the network through gateways. Gateway works on the top layers of OSI model such as transport, session, presentation and application layers. But it is useless to make communication between two same network protocols. Example of gateway are IBM AS400 microcomputer and PC LAN. Types are unidirectional gateways. It has permission to flow data in only one direction. Bidirectional gateways. It has permission to flow data from both the sides. Client. Client is edge point of computers which are obtained the requests and received services from server side and it uses computer network resources such as printer, scanner, plotter and more. Server. Server is high level computer which are get high configurations. It has responsibility to handle all resources of the entire network system. On the server, a special type of operating system is installed. It is known as network operating system. Server has some variants such as file servers, database servers, print servers, and more. Software components in computer network. Network software is a superior element that provides instructions to all network components for performing their tasks together. Network software components are networking operating system. Networking operating system is designed especially to network system. It is installed on the server, then it delivers to some facilitate to workstations on the network such as share files, database, applications, fax machine, plotters, printers, etc. Protocol suite. Protocol is set of rules or some guideline followed by every node of network for data communication. Protocol suite is group of some related protocols which are especially designed for computer network. Two protocol suites are OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnections, and it decides that how to flow data in between the multiple computers with the help of these seven layers such as physical data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application layer. Next one is TCP IP model. TCP or IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, and it delivers some instructions that how to make a connection with any specific computer over the network and how to create transmission between all the computers nodes. Below are some name of software components. Novel NetWare 4.1 and Microsoft Windows NT are network operating systems for server side. Novel NetWare 4.1 client and Microsoft Windows 95 are network operating system for client side. Novel IPX is network protocol software. Application softwares are web browser, email, etc. Network interface card drivers. Protocol in computer network. Network protocols are groups of specified rules that decide how to swap data between in the multiple computers with easy, reliable and trustworthy way. Main objective of using protocols are to spread and receive data over a network. Some common protocols are TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, PPP, Point to Point Protocol, SSH, Secure Shell, Telnet, Telecommunication Network, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, POP3, Post Office Protocol, SIP, Session Initiation Protocol. Connection medium in computer network. Connection medium is the appropriate way over which electrical signal flow as transfer from one terminal to another terminal over the network. Connection medium has some variants such as twisted pair wire and coaxial cable. Twisted pair wire is mostly used in the telephone and Ethernet cabling, and it is divided into some categories such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5E, 6 and 7. It has two types like an unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is same to TV installation cable and it delivers to high data transmission speed. So it is more expensive. There are two types of coaxial cable. One is thin and another one is thick. Fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable provides the ultra transmission data speed via light beams in the glass bound fiber, so its price is higher to other cable. Wireless medium. Wireless medium is more popular in small offices and home usage such as Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi, radio signals get the transmission in the air and multiple terminals like computers, laptops, smartphones, etc. make connection through Wi-Fi signals, then can be shared their data with each other. Thank you.